Hi class, this video is going to demonstrate how to register for Connect. Connect is going to be the resource that you're using to access the ebook, your quizzes, your exams, and your practice quizzes, which are called Learn Smart modules. So from the Start Here section, which if you viewed the previous video that I made, I talked about all of the information that you need to read through in the Start Here module before actually attempting any of the work in the course. So from the Start Here module, there's a link that I provide that allows you to register for Connect. So you just have to click on the link, and you can see here that the link is associated with our course. So I'm using the child psychology course as a template. Don't worry if that's not the course that you're registered for. The registration process for Connect is going to be the same regardless of which course you're enrolled in. But you do want to just double check that the link that you gained access to matches up with your course. Once in a while, there could be a technological glitch, but just double check. You could see here, this is section 201097WB, and then this matches up with 201097WB. So that means that this is the right course associated with the one that you're enrolled in. And to get started with Connect, you're just going to enter an email address. I'm going to make one up because I've done this plenty of times before. And I don't want to use my real email address. You could use any one. You could use your school address, your personal address. It doesn't matter. And that'll take you to a page where you're going to set up your account. So it already fills in your email address. Just confirm your email address. And then make a password. Make one that you can actually remember. And I suggest writing it down or allowing your computer to save it. A lot of students just forget their passwords, and then they end up having to call the McGraw-Hill help desk to either reset it or make a new account. So when you make your password, write it down, have your computer save it, and then that way you don't have to worry about what your password is. Now, I suggest for your name that you use the same one that you're enrolled in the course with. I know that that sounds a little strange and you're thinking, why would I change my name? But sometimes, especially for some women that are in class, there could be a discrepancy between your married name and maybe you're enrolled in the course with your maiden name. Just use the same name that you're actually enrolled in. That way on my end, when I check your grades and see the roster, that everything matches up. And then this is a security question. And I don't want to put in my mobile number. So you can see here my password didn't meet their criteria. And then, like I said, have you your computer save your password. Just saves time. I don't need this to save because it's a fake account. You're going to come to the page now where you're going to need to gain access to Connect. And there's three different ways. The first one is using your Connect code. This is going to be a code that you were able to get from the bookstore. So there's a 20-digit access code that comes with the card that the bookstore is selling. If you bought this through financial aid or if you went to the bookstore, you're going to enter that code here. You could also purchase directly through the publisher McGraw-Hill, one-time payment of $80, and you could purchase it by clicking the Buy It link. If you don't want to purchase the materials today, and if you didn't go to the bookstore, you want to bypass them, you can gain a free 2-week temporary trial by clicking Access Now. So there's no excuse for any students to not gain access to the course today. You can just use the temporary access and get a free 2-week, 14-day trial. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So you click on Gain Access Now. You get the 2-week free trial, click confirm. And then that gives me access from today until the 27th of January. So you can see here, now once you're into Connect, you have the same topics that are associated with our course in Moodle, right? Topic 1, 2, the midterm, topic 3, topic 4, topic 5, and the final exam. When you come into our Moodle course, same thing, topic 1, topic 2, midterm, topic 3, topic 4, topic 5, final. When you go into topic 1 and you click on topic 1 quiz, that'll take you directly into our course in Connect. And you can see here, each topic comes with a quiz and then chapter practice modules. The quiz is the required sort of assignment. The chapter modules are optional, so you don't have to use them. I don't look at your scores for the chapter modules. It's the only sort of assignment that's required for each topic is the quiz. And you can see here that the quiz isn't available until the 21st. You'll have 2 weeks, just like the writing assignment. And the same flow for each topic, right? Topic 2, chapters 5 through 7. Here are the practice modules. Here's the required quiz. Each required quiz is 25 multiple choice questions, and you'll have 90 minutes to complete that quiz, except for the midterm and the final. The midterm and the final are 50 multiple choice questions, and you'll have 2 hours to complete them. So, like I said, each topic comes with practice chapter modules. These are not required. These are optional. They'll help prepare you for the quiz. The only required assignment for each topic is the quiz itself. It'll say topic 1 quiz, topic 2 quiz, and then you'll have the midterm exam, so on and so forth. If you have any questions about registering for Connect, you could click on the ebook over here to gain access to the ebook itself. You can navigate by chapter. If you have any questions about this process, by all means, please email me prior to the beginning of the term, and we could sort of sort through some of these issues. Have a good semester.